So this is my quote-unquote $24 GPS setup on my dirt bike. When I'm out exploring complicated routes or race courses that have a lot of turns, I kind of need the GPS. For more casual trail rides, I typically just memorize the route, but you know, I've been looking for a low-cost solution, and so this is a $24 LG Journey phone, and then I have the free version of Gaia GPS installed on it. Now $24 is kind of misleading because of course the stupid RAM mounting system, well, it's not stupid, it's a good system, but it is expensive. I already had an extra piece here for a second mirror, so I just bought I think it's a $30 adapter for the phone that comes with the rubber band too. And just a tip, this RAM mount phone adapter or holder comes with a little bottle of super glue, and I didn't know what it was for, but reading online, it seems that if you're going to use it off-road, they recommend you put a dab of super glue before you, or underneath these rubber pieces, so they don't wiggle off with the vibration. But this is my first try off-road. You can see here I have a route mapped out, just a little short test route. Slight variation on a casual trail ride that we typically do, and we'll see how it goes, see if this $24 phone can do a good job. Doing a quick check here, see if it's still under sturdy. It looks like it is. It's doing a good job of refreshing and rotating as I turn to line up with the trail, so pretty good so far. So it's doing a good job, but this jacket is way too hot. Woo! Yeah, so you can see I'm on this new route that I haven't explored, and it really helped me stay on track here. So we're going to be looking for a right turn here soon. Here, oh yeah, there it is. Overall, I was happy with this solution. For the price, it worked extremely well. It was highly visible, responsive. One thing that remains to be seen is the durability long term. After going through rocks and being subjected to more rides and more vibration, we'll see how the phone holds up. I did cover up any of the openings with tape just to keep the dust out. Also, an interesting thing is that I used only 18% of the battery in about an hour of riding. This is an interesting little whoop section that where I almost lost it twice. It's kind of strange because it doesn't look like much, but when you're riding through it, the rhythm and the looseness of these whoops somehow ends up having you go sideways. As you can see here, a different rider on another day didn't quite make it. But anyhow, if you have any questions about this this particular setup for navigation on dirt bike trails, leave a comment and I'll try to answer any questions.